Good morning, dear children. Just a quick recap of the previous video wherein we discussed about what were the changes made in NEP, that is LPG, and majorly what was the impact of those changes on business and industry. So we have the first point here: increase in competition, more demanding customers, rapidly changing technological environment, change that became necessity for the business and industry. There was a need for developing the human resource also. Market underwent orientation wherein from producer it went to the importance went to the consumer. Then next is loss of budgetary support to public sector. Public sector units were made to earn their own living, earn for their own survival, and then export became a matter of survival. So children, in a whole, we need to understand that the changes that were made to NEP 1991 had altogether, as a whole, they had a positive impact on business and industry. And the topic that we need to begin today is how did the management of the business organizations responded to these changes. So this is another important topic from this chapter, wherein after studying the impact of the changes made to NEP, we need to understand the response of the business organizations towards these changes. So the topic is managerial response to changes in business environment. So the very first point, the very first response of the management towards the changes is diversification. So children, the very first impact, the very first response that was seen after the changes made to NEP was diversification. Most of the companies, they started diversifying their business units. Now here, for diversification, you need to understand that when a company deals only into one line of production, that is just one line, right? But then after that one line of production, when the companies enter into some other line, for example, a company, any XYZ company which was earlier into manufacturing of garments, but just after NEP they also entered into manufacturing of cosmetics. So diversification refers to when the company shifted from production of garments to production of cosmetics, which means it started diversifying itself. So diversification of business industries was the very first response. Now for example, companies like Reliance, Voltas, LG, Samsung, they all started diversifying their activities by adding more and more products into their portfolio. The second response after the changes made to NEP was joint ventures, collaboration. Now since liberalization, privatization, globalization, they had allowed easy entry of MNCs, right? They have easily allowed foreign direct investment. So most of the multinational companies, they started coming to India, and the only option available to them, or you can say the easy option available to them for entering into India, was collaborating with the Indian industries or entering into joint ventures with Indian industries. You have n number of examples of joint ventures, like Jaguar entered with Tata Motors, General Motors with Hindustan Motors, Ford entered with Mahindra and Mahindra, and there are n number of examples wherein as a response towards the NEP, the business managements, they started entering into India. Multinational companies started entering India through joint ventures, through collaborating with the Indian companies. The third managerial response to you can say the third response of the management experts or the management of business organizations was brand building. Now children, after the entry of MNCs to India, after the competition increased, we read this as the first impact, that competition started increasing. So now when competition increased, brand building became the most important element, right, in promoting supporting the companies. So now, as a response, the companies started spending huge amount on their promotional activities such as advertisement, sales promotion, etc. And especially the consumer durable industries, or you can say the FMCGs, fast moving consumer goods. So we could see a tremendous change in their promotional activities, and that was only done with the intention of building their own brand, building their own goodwill in the market in order to face the increased competition. And this was the managerial response. Children, we've read it in the previous video. We studied in the previous video that how scanning of business environment helps business industries in taking over the first mover advantage. So to get this first mover advantage, companies, started trying to get the latest technology first into their production. So the expenditure on research and development automatically increased by all the companies, because they all they all started changing the technologies. Then you could see the companies mostly in IT, computer, laptops, phone manufacturing, they all came up with latest technology or something or the new which wasn't being competed by their competitors. So then the managerial response, the fourth managerial response you could see to meet the changing environment, was the use of latest technology. Now children, whatever points we've seen here, right from diversification to joint ventures to brand building to use of latest technology, do you think it's possible? We are studying these points as a response of the management. So do you think that these things would have been possible until and unless we had a competent, talented and skilled workforce? No, of course not, because these could be possible only because the management was dynamic enough, and management included those individuals who were competent enough to adapt these changes in their business industry, in their business operations. So with the entry of MNCs, children, there was a lot of change that was seen in the salary packages of the employees and the in managerial as well as technical services. So improved compensation. Yes, when we need to face the competition, when we need skilled employees, we had to increase the compensation level as well. So the starting salaries for engineers, management graduates, even they had risen significantly after the changes made to NEP. So this was another response. This was another, action of the management towards the changes that were happening to business and industry, that it also led to the increase, or you can say improved compensation level of the managers. So, companies started following, you can say, performance linked bonus schemes. They started giving better incentives for the performance. So these are the first 5 points. The next point, or the next managerial response, was customer focus. So we already studied that the whole market underwent a complete orientation. There was a complete change in the market. So the focus from the producer completely shifted on to the customer now, the consumer. So earlier, the producer used to produce and bring whatever he had produced to the market, and the consumers were forced to buy whatever was available. But later, with these changes, total change in the market brought the focus over the consumer. Now, the modern marketing concept said that first we need to find out what exactly the consumer wants, and the production will undergo only according to the demands and the desires of the consumer, so that the final product could satisfy the consumers. So we could see that the focus of the market totally shifted from the producer to the consumer, and today consumer is the king of the market. And just because of this, children, since the focus shifted from producer to consumer, we saw that even most of the companies had started their after sales services, and this after sales service helped them in keeping their customers attached to the company for a longer time, right? Long lasting customers, 24 into 7 toll free customer care numbers, after sales services, all these were included. They were introduced by the companies only because of the intention to keep their consumers attached or to have loyal consumers for a longer time. So we just saw the managerial response to changes in business and in the business environment. So just a quick revision of all the points. As a response towards the changes made to NEP, the business industries, manufacturing or be it into selling of goods and services, they all started diversifying into production. They started entering into collaboration or joint ventures became more common as a mode of entry to to different countries. Brand building became more important to get the first mover advantage, use of latest technology, improved compensation level for the employees, and yes, after all, the whole focus shifted on from the producer to the consumer. So just go through all these points carefully, read them through NCERT, underline the keywords. Thank you.